Okay, let's look at number 3. 4. Just kidding, 4. Okay, find KLM. So, what are we finding today? Right now?
KLM.
KLM. Okay, so it says ULM is 8x plus 2. Is that a little one or a big one? ULM. Bree, you with me? Yeah, you don't look like it.
Sorry, that kind of, I didn't mean to start with you like that.
ULM is a little one. ULM is 8x plus 2. KLM is the big one. KLM is 20x plus 2. And then KLU is the other little one. KLU is 60.
So anytime we have a U, it's a little one basically. She said honestly. Because she's freaking out.
Okay, 8x plus 2 plus 60 equals 20x plus 2. Are they same sides or opposite sides?
I think same, but I'm not entirely.
8x plus 2 plus 60 equals 20x plus 2. Yeah, so they're opposite sides, okay? So what is my first step going to be?
Combining like terminologies.
Combining like terms. So on the left side, I got an 8x plus 2 plus 60.
Nothing.
What can I put together?
The 2 plus 60, and I think it's 80, but I'm gonna check.
2 plus 60, honey.
That's what I said.
What's 60 plus 2?
80, I think.
60 plus 2. That would be 60 plus 20. So 2 would be what?
Let me look it up. It's 602.
No.
60 plus 2.
Oh.
6 0. So 6 in the 10th place, 0 in the 1st place, plus 2, which is in the 1st place. Think about adding it.
Oh. Oops.
Did you get it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll let me get to that. My clumsiness.
There you go. Okay, so I got 80, 80. Now you got me saying 80.
Sorry.
You're alright. What you call it? 8x plus 62 equals 20x plus 2. Okay, what's our next step?
Letters to the left and numbers to the right.
Letters to the left and numbers to the right. Okay, so I got 8x. Is that a letter or a number?
It's a letter, but since it's a positive, we have to minus it.
Okay, slow down, Speedy. So
Sorry.
8x, it is a positive, so 8x is that, it's a letter, okay, and it's on the left, so that's good. Okay, and then we got a 62, is that a letter or a number?
That's a number.
Number, where do numbers go?
To the right.
To the right,
I know what we have to do, but I'm too nervous to say it.
minus 62 on both sides, minus 62 on both sides. And make sure it goes under that 2, okay? It's gotta go with another number. So 8x equals 20x, and then 2, positive 2 minus 62 is going to be negative 60. Oh, I forgot this x. 20x.
We can, no.
Okay, 8x, is that a letter or a number?
It's a letter.
Okay, and then we hit equals, so now we're on the right side. 20x, is that a letter or a number?
It's a letter again.
Letter, where do letters go?
To the left.
So what do I need to do? Minus it.
Minus it, yes.
20x minus 20x. Okay, so now I got 8 minus 20x. Negative 12, yeah. Negative 12x equals negative 60.
So what was it, the 8 minus 20?
Mm-hmm. And then what's my last step always? Mm-hmm. So we're going to divide by negative 12, divide by negative 12. So negative 60 divided by negative 12.
Let me look it up.
Ooh, I almost circled it like we're done. Just kidding. No, because what are you trying to find? We're not finding x today. What was the question at the very beginning?
Find the angle.
Yeah? And which one was it?
The
Hold on, I'm still.
KLM? Okay, and what is KLM?
20x plus
Ah,
20 what?
20x plus 2.
20x plus 2. And then what's our x value?
5.
5, so we're going to plug that in where the x goes. So 20. Sammy, stop. So 20 times 5 is going to be 100 plus 2. So 102.
dang it. No, that's just wrong. Wrong. What I got is totally.
Yeah, that's right. It's right. 20 times 5 is, what's that?
I got 100 though.
100 plus 2.
Okay, go ahead.
102.
Okay, and then I'll do one more. So Wij is going to be a little one. Wij is going to be 13x plus 7. And then Hiw is another little one. So Hiw is 2x minus 2 equals Hij, which is okay, so I got 13x plus 7 plus 2x minus 2. So I'm going to combine my like terms. So 13 plus 2 is going to be 15x. And then 7 minus 2 is going to be plus 5. Okay, so 15x plus 5 equals 170. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. Subtract 5 from both sides. 15x equals 165. Okay, and then my last step is to divide. So 165 divided by 15 is going to be 11. Okay, now that we found our x, we're ready to plug it back in. And in this case, we're finding Wji. What does it say Wji is? Wji. Yeah, sure. Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Dude, I cannot get these letters today. I don't. Wij?
I thought it was WJI.
That's what I said, but I don't think that's right. Wij. Yeah. I just keep saying it wrong. Okay, and then what is that one? What's Wij? It says at the top. What does it say? I don't want to keep scrolling because then nobody can write. Yeah, 13x plus 7. 13x plus 7. And what's our x value? It's 11. Okay, and you can type that in on your calculator with the parentheses and everything, and it'll spit you out the answer really nicely. Okay, so
I got 143 for my answer.
it's 150. Okay, I think maybe you guys have like 3 to do, 2 to do.
150. I am so
You're hoping to?